Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Willoughby Black Currant. It's a strong tasting currant. Let me go ahead and confirm that. Yeah, it doesn't have a lot of sugar content. So if I was going to use this, I would put it in a jam or I would put some kind of sugar in it somehow or cook it down because it's great flavor, but not a lot of sugar. It's pretty tart. Productive. It's hard to see here, but the branches that are bearing fruit have all leaned down because of the weight. And if we go over here, we can see we're late in the season now, and it gets super dry here. So this isn't really indicative of what it looks like during growing season. If you have a currant that is very productive, like this one, like Willoughby, and I got to reiterate that it's still growing, even though we haven't been watering our current bed as much as we should, but it's still putting out new growth. So it's kind of amazing. If you have something like this that grows like crazy, you can take cuttings, and what we'll do is we'll take a cutting that's maybe 9 inches long that has a few nodes on it, and then we'll just put that in a 1 gallon pot with potting soil, or you can go smaller or bigger, it doesn't matter. And then we'll leave that out in the weather in the winter. And then come springtime, that currant cutting, and this applies to gooseberries as well, will take root and leaf out, and you'll have another plant. So it's a great way, if you do enjoy currants and gooseberries, it's a great way to multiply them for gifts or for sale or just to expand your own orchard. This is Willoughby Black Currant. It's very productive, very strong taste. So if it was me, I would use this in cooking or into making jams or something like that, adding sugar basically. But it's very healthy and it puts out a lot of fruit for us.